What is this?
That's some pre-K classes.
Oh, you put pre-K classes here?
Yeah.
How you know it's pre-K classes?
Look there.
Oh. Come on, guys. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Pre-K class? I know what the pre-K class is. Let's see a pre-K class.
All this parking lot. All that. Oh my God, there's so many places to go to. Do you need to pee that much? Okay. Oh, gotta go to the bathroom. What's this say? Porous concrete. Okay, let's go down there. Let's check it out. We have to explore this whole place, right? Oh, look, they got an electric car charger over there. Now look at the entrance. Yeah.
What's that over there, Papa? Papa. Let's see where the campfire right there.
I know, right? There's a bunch of places, a bunch of weird places. Let me see. Oh, there might be some clean water. I hope it's clean water. I don't know if I want to trust it. Oh, that's a nice place, right, Sabrina?
I know.
Yeah.
My height is good.
Look, guys. It looks like they designed this with painting. Looks like they painted it. Yeah. Avoid poison. Oh, there's poison ivy here? Uh-oh. They got poison ivy here. Be careful. Whatever you do, do not touch the bushes. See? This is... You don't want to touch this. You'll have skin rashes. Make sure you recognize what that is. Look how big this place is. Look. What?
So this is cool.
Yeah, I mean, it's a planetarium. Oh man, look at this place.
Okay, you don't want it? You want me to fix it for you?
This is where, what is it called? The Robinson Nature Center.
Don't step in it.
Be careful what this is.
Oh, God.
What is this? We checking everything out. We exploring everything. Yo, what is this? There's just weird stuff. At first I thought it was for bees. Look, guys, look. Look, there's... Oh, there's bees here. Is this for bees? Four-sided insect house. Oh, it's insect house. Well, this is weird. There's holes and there's bees around. But look. There's little animals here. But they're fake. But Sabrina, I see a lot of bees in here. But this is fake. But yeah, the bees like to here. Yeah, come on, guys. Let's not mess with the bees. Come on. Yeah, if you don't bother the bees, they don't bother you. Oh man, this place is big. This is awesome. Hey, look, I felt like water was here or something. Maybe not. I guess not. Guys, look, it's a pond. Look, guys, look, it's a pond. You think something's in the water?
No.
Over there, you can see it closer.
This place is awesome.
Why butterflies?
Look.
That's weird.
So who wants to take a picture? Guys, who want to take a picture as a bug?
No.
As a flower. Come on, guys. Aaliyah, go. Go. Put your head in there.
I'm scared. Look at.
Don't be scared.
I'm gonna
You the flower, Leah. Look at you go.
Go. Be the bee, Lucas. Be
be.
the...
This is Santa on mine.
Yeah.
Mateo, go.
Come on, Mateo, go. Watch out, Lucas. Watch out.
Real.
Watch out, Lucas. Move.
Lucas.
Watch out, move. There you go.
That's enough. A dick.
Oh, man. Look. This place is awesome. You guys want to go inside and explore? Look at all the way. Come on.
That dick a
I
walk.
didn't go.
This place is awesome. Come on, guys.
But don't touch it.
All right.
Uh,
Let's check it out.
yeah,
So part of this course, general mission rates, adult, children $3 to $3, under 3 is no charge.
Feel it. A child not really feel it.
Are they open? Let's find out.
What's this to open up?
Oh, that's pretty cool, guys. Let's check it out.
It is open.
Come here, guys. Lucas, no. Restroom here. Restroom here, Lucas. Come on. This place is huge, huh? What's in here? Maybe something's hiding. Well, it was yeah. Probably took them out. Come on, guys.
I got pink.
That's right. We came far away. We came over here. All over down.
Penny.
Jesus. Probably all the way up here. Up here. Well, that's pretty cool. Let me see it. It's a little light.
Huh?
It's a little light.
You hold it.
Yeah.
You hold it. So.
So there's more to this house. There's more down here.
Is this beautiful?
And there's a discovery room. Come. Oh, that is awesome, guys. Guys, this is the discovery room. That's sick. Whoa. This place is pretty cool, right? I'm glad we came here.
What is this?
So,
It's a flying thing.
yeah, it gives like a
Look
little...
right there. Look up there.
There's a puzzle.
Guys, there's animals here. Look.
Look at anything on the ceiling.
Look, guys. Look, guys. Look on the ceiling.
Whoa, butterflies.
Whoa.
Look at there.
Oh, that's pretty
Bald
cool.
eagle.
There's a puzzle here.
This is nice, right, Sean?
Puzzle.
Oh my God, this is beautiful.
I want to play for a little bit.
This is, I think people need to come here.
But I want to play for a
Whoa, that's cool.
It's
Look,
called
there's a little aquarium in here. Look, there's a little aquarium in here.
Oh wow, there is.
I was trying to want this. Oh, it's not. It does.
No, Penny.
I'm gonna go set that puzzle in my computer. This puzzle is fight. I'm gonna do this puzzle.
I wish I had a GoPro. Oh guys, look, this is where they do the puppet show.
Oh,
See, and they open this and then they play the puppet show.
Wait, does these
I want to do.
actually work?
Hey guys, look at this. What's this? Can you open? Look, magnets.
Papa, I want to do this first.
Oh, but this thing actually works.
Hey, guys, come on, let's go. Campfire. Look, come on, guys. Everybody, sit down for the campfire.
Okay.
Come on, Leah. Campfire it up.
Let's finish this puzzle. Oh,
Mommy, don't forget about
make up a carrots.
I want to try. That's
Campfire it up. Come on, guys. I want to take a picture with you guys at the campfire.
Yeah, go.
Come on, Lee. All right, Mateo, fix the camera. Come on, Lee. Come, Lee. Come. Sit on the wood. So I take a picture together.
Look at God.
All right, guys. Stoke the fire. Go here, guys. Look. Lucas right here. Lucas right here. Here. Lucas, cheese. Everybody cheese. Mateo, cheese. Everybody, Lucas right here. Lucas right here. Lucas. Right here, Lucas. Come on.
Okay, cheese.
There you go. Finally, guys.
Can we do a puppet show?
Yeah, if you guys want to do your own puppet.
Look here. Look.
Is there something in here? This is a millipede. I can't see nothing. It's really hard to see.
This one is a. Please do.
Oh, it's a snake in here. But where is the snake? There's the snake. Right here. You guys got to get high to get to the snake. Yeah, he's right here. Right there. But they can't. It's hard for them to get up there.
I don't see it.
It's right in the left corner. It's right here.
Who wants to do a puppet?
And look, guys, it's a frog. Right here.
Ah,
We just can't see him.
Let me see.
it's right here.
And there's a snake up there. Oh, there's another snake up there. Right here. Right up there.
Bubba, can we do
Right up there.
open my mattress?
Right there.
Bubba, can we do
You can't. Yeah, it's a snake right here.
Can he get in there too?
Bubba, can we do
It's pretty cool. Have you guys seen the turtle down here?
No, I haven't. Look,
I think it's like hiding.
they're eggs.
It was floating eggs.
Bubba, can we go do the puppet show?
It's up to you guys.
Let's do the puppet show.
Yeah, those eggs right there.
I want to be an Easter bunny.
What the? No way. Papa, look at that sound.
Look at the outside.
Look at that sound.
Yeah. Oh, guys, look, there's dinosaurs. Look, Lucas. There's dinosaurs here.
Dinosaurs are his.
This is pretty cool. Pretty cool.
They're just.
You can see the stages
Whoa.
of a honeybee in our life. See? Do you see, look, they start with eggs and they turn into this.
Wow.
Wow, this place is awesome.
Bubba, come here. Can we do the puppet show?
Yeah. But we gotta, guys, we gotta explore. Come on, guys.
Huh?
If somebody was here, if the teachers were here, maybe you guys can.
I got my camera.
This is pretty cool.
But let's explore more here.
Yeah.
Oh, look, the classic game. Look,
I love you.
What'd you say?
Okay,
Okay, sure.
Papa, look what's
Yeah, good luck with that.
Bubba, come.
Yeah, we're gonna go down there. Oh wow, look. There's another pond down there. Alright, this place is cool. Look, it's the other way,
There's another way here.
This way.
Bubba,
Look,
this.
look, it's got binoculars, guys.
It actually works. I
Look,
checked it.
the scary part. What's in
Yeah.
that in the middle?
Oh, look at that.
Oh, there's a bee.
That's so cool. I can see it in
See,
places.
Lucas? Oh, this is
Papa, look, there's a big secret. Look.
Oh, cool.
Bees, guys. Can't
Guys,
see bees.
Look, guys, previous gathering. That's pretty cool. We should. No, Lucas. Guys, grab that bee.
That would be.
That's the puppet bee. Yeah, it's in here.
That's pretty cool. This is
Yeah,
pretty
put it
cool.
in here.
Come on, guys, let's put everything nice.
Put everything back.
No. Grab
I'll
it.
pick the stuff. Put it back where it's going.
Here, put it in here. This is where all the bees are.
Like two.
And every
Go
single
with
one.
the back.
All right, guys, clean your hands. Cause we gotta keep this place clean.
Tell him.
Where?
That. Mateo,
Guys, put the binoculars back.
Put it back, Mateo.
Put it up here. Put it right here. Put it right here, nice, so everybody can see it. Come on, guys, let's go. Good. Clean your guys' hands.
Come on. Don't close your eyes.
Oh, this area was cool.
That's cool.
That was fun.
That was pretty cool.
That was so cool.
Let's see, there's another. Look. What is this one?
The letters.
Look, Aaliyah, this is something that you would like.
Look. There was some foot near for
It's just a
toys.
painting.
Papa, look.
And check this out. Look at this.
Look, come here.
Papa, look, there was letters for us to learn in the wall. Oh, wait, what the? Oh, look, you have to put the missing.
Wow.
Oh.
And then when you let go, this happens. Look.
I see. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
I like this place. Papa, look.
Hey, check this out, guys. That's pretty cool.
Papa.
This place looks cool.
Yes, it is. Pretty cool.
Papa, let's go in now.
Let's go in here.
Hey, check this out.
Oh. What's that noise?
Look, Mateo. These are the Native Americans. This is their,
Ow. Wait, Papa.
these are their tools.
Papa, we learned this in a class.
You learned it from your class? That's what's up. Where do you guys want to go here or you want to go over there? Okay, let's go over here. Oh, wow.
Nerf gun.
That is not a Nerf gun, Mateo. That's a real gun.
Papa, here.
Oh, whoa. Oh, what? Okay, that's awesome.
Oh, spin it.
Papa, come here.
Look, that's awesome. Look, it goes up and it drops it down.
Well, Mommy can say
And where it goes through there. This is pretty elaborate.
Wow. This thing.
Guys, we're gonna try. Mom, let's try.
What's
Let's try.
This is beautiful, right, Sarah? That looks like a fun place. We're gonna go outside. You still gotta explore the rest of here, then go upstairs.
Look at this big one.
Yeah.
If this goes.
Let me see. Oh, you guys can feel it.
Huh?
All right. Okay. Sharp.
Use this thing. Can I try, Lucas? I want to try.
Try it out, Lucas.
Can I try?
Everybody try.
I wanna try.
Guys, take turns.
I wanna try.
No, Lucas, come on. Let Leah and Mateo do it. No fighting, guys. Come on. Okay, Leah. Okay, Lucas. Mateo's turn. Okay. Okay then. Okay, Lucas' turn. Come on. Come on, Lucas. Your turn. Mateo, let Lucas do it now. Come on.
You can sit down here if you want.
Come on, Lucas. You do it. You do it. Push.
I know.
Do it. Yeah. Get the spin the wheel.
Let's go see something else. Come on.
Come on, guys. There's a forest right here. Come on, Lucas. Check out that forest.
Forest?
Yeah. Hey, look at that thing. No, man. Stop cooking out. You're so ridiculous. Oh, you're hilarious. That's pretty cool.
What the?
You're hilarious. Huh?
Papa! We're down there.
Oh,
Look, look right there. Down.
But you
You
really.
see what I see?
yeah. Oh, it goes down there. Check this out.
I wanna go down there.
Oh.
I wanna go
great.
down there. I wanna go down there.
You can make the noises.
Is that making noises?
Oh, you can make the noises. This noise.
Sabrina, you wanna go out here real quick? Can you go out here?
Let's go down.
I don't think so, but let's see. Oh, you can go out. Wow.
Let's go to come really
I hope it don't lock.
early
I
here.
hope it don't lock us out.
Ow, I wanna go back.
Dang, this is beautiful. Oh my God. This place is gorgeous. I don't want to drop my phone, you know. Whoa, Mateo.
We have a house like that.
That's awesome.
We should get inside now.
Yeah, let's go inside. Gorgeous, man. Gorgeous place.
A lot of kids coming.
Yeah, let's go, guys.
Well, I wanna go down there.
Yeah, let's go. Let's explore.
Dude, look, you
Let's
can make
explore the
sounds
forest.
out of the animals.
I bet, yeah.
Let's go.
Look, come here. It's actually true. Look, when I press this button, this happens. Here. You hear the
I know. I hear. Come on, guys. Come on. Look, guys, there's more.
More.
More. Let's keep going.
This is what, guys, Papa.
Can you go down there? Yes, you can.
Papa, this is, look, you can feel a fox fur. This is what a fox feels like.
Oh, really?
Feel it.
I want to go there.
Oh, wow. Really solid. So look,
Papa.
feel this one. Fox fur.
This is fox fur.
Don't touch your arm up there. It's irritating.
Yeah.
What is this?
I'll put your hand in
It's
the-
not real.
Papa, I want to go down there.
No, that's fur.
I want
That's
to
a
go down
big
there.
one. Come on, guys. Whoa, that's a big buffalo. Okay.
What does this do? What does this do?
This place is pretty cool.
This is the old. Ah!
Let me take a picture.
Guys, come on, take a picture in front of the buffalo. Here, look at Mateo, go. Leah, go.
You sit down.
It's fake in here.
Come on, Leah, turn around. It's not gonna move.
We can go
Look at go. Look at go.
Mira al teléfono.
Say hi. 1, 2, 3. Cheese. Lucas is hilarious.
I
Man.
look at her always do nice.
like cheese right here.
Look, guys, more buttons. Look. This is pretty
Whoa,
cool.
look at this!
So all the type of birds.
Look at this. What are they flying? This is.
So look at their beak.
Huh?
Their skull. Different birds.
But we can get those.
See? You okay?
Guys, go. Right here.
So
Papa, you hear the sounds from here. Look. Papa. Look.
yeah,
You can hear the sounds from here.
yeah, I know. Yeah.
Look, see? Do you see this light from here? Here, you can hear
Oh,
it
yeah.
from here.
Yeah.
Let's go. Papa, let's go.
I like hearing the sound of birds outside, you know? You wake up in the morning.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, this is pretty cool.
Whoa.
This is pretty cool.
What?
Cool.
We're almost there. Oh my god, this is my best hair.
Yeah, this is Oh man, this is pretty cool.
Oh, it's a
It's a bear.
Come on. Take a picture over there close to the burger.
No, we're not taking a picture of it.
Over there?
No, really?
No. No.
That's awesome.
It's fake, though.
Let me see, guys. Watch out. Come on, let's go over here. Oh, look. That's them hunting. See, they hunted the white-tailed deer. There's a fox. That's what? A vulture? Yes, it's a vulture. It's not sleeping, but they're hunting it.
Oh.
Papa.
Oh. Oh, Sam.
Oh, man.
I saw like a gunshot in there. Not that
Right here,
it's-
right there. Oh, it's good. Oh,
Look, so. Look, so. Can you imagine this one?
what's here?
Made for the shade. Huh. Interesting.
Papa, bee.
Wait, is this something down here? Okay.
I
Yeah. American Woodcock Habitat Specialist.
don't know.
Oh, so look. Look, Mateo, look. You can drag this out.
Look, this one too. Come.
Oh,
Papa, look.
he's so excited. So gives us some information about how a caterpillar becomes, right?
Papa,
Yeah, that's
Papa,
so-
come here.
Let's-
Look.
oh, wow. Put it back. Oh, look, guys, it's a deer.
It's a small
It's a bird.
deer.
It's not real.
What's that sound? You can hear that, right?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go,
awesome.
Mom. Let's go. Let's
So,
go.
man, this is the coolest places I've ever been to. Of all the places I've been to.
Come here.
They make it so realistic.
Look, it's one of those annoying guys.
It looks just like water, see?
Look, look at these annoying guys. Raccoons.
It's
Yep.
not water, glaciers.
Yeah, but it's kind of they acting like it's water on it. See, it's like the turtle. See the little frog swimming and the turtle.
Let's see. Let's see.
Look, somebody look. It's a little lizard. Look.
But you can see.
See,
Well, you see
it's
fishies.
so small. Yeah.
Well, you can see from right here.
Oh yeah, you're right.
I'm
Aaliyah.
learning about some animals right now.
Yeah, we're learning about some animals.
It's a groundhog.
So what's this?
This
Oh, this is the skunk and the deer and the condor.
Look, a groundhog thingy.
Oh, yeah.
Why is he posing like that?
He's posing like that. Yeah.
He's posing.
Look, there's an owl.
Oh yeah, yeah. Look, it's a chipmunk
See my team,
and a little lizard right there.
Oh, that's a lizard.
Papa, this one's pretending to be water.
Guys, look at this duck. Look, guys, the duck up there. And that, look, these are beavers.
There's a snake. There's a snake.
That's awesome.
It's fake, I think.
Look, Sean. Look, a snake grabbing onto a little frog. A little skink, whatever you call it.
Let's go.
Is a dead bug log really dead? Oh. Sabrina, what they're saying is inside these logs there could be.
Look,
These
Bubba,
things
this
alive.
one's acting like.
Hey, look, yeah, look, it's a dam. See?
Look, this one is
That's what it
acting
looks
like.
like. They build the dam.
Look, this one is acting
No,
like.
no, in a real life show, like you can see a regular log. And,
Papa, this one is acting like real life water.
let's check inside.
See? Fish. And that.
There's a duck, yeah, it's an otter, a beaver.
Are these real? So they're not.
Whoa.
That's just pretty cool.
Who's
What
that?
is that? Is it a little?
Hey, this one there?
Yeah.
Can we go inside? Let's go inside. Let's see what's inside.
No.
Oh wow!
There's a flashlight.
Look. This is the Boy Baby Redback's home is where you hang out. Let's check it out.
Wait, there's a button right here. There's a camel?
Look up there. Bats.
Oh, there's bats.
There's
Bats,
bats.
see?
There's bats in there.
See that?
Yeah.
Bats.
It's a fox right here. It's pretty cool.
Let's go
Wait, Papa, I wanted to go in there. I think it's a taxi.
This is the crayfish
Papa?
larvae.
Papa, I think my camera's full. Go in there. Papa, I dare to go in there.
Yeah, look, it's the eagle, a vulture. Wow, look at that.
How are you doing? Oh my, no.
Use your senses. Welcome to the night where animals are active at night.
Okay.
My team. Hey, come on. In here.
There's more to here?
Whoa.
Wow.
Oh, boy. All right, guys, stick together. Guys. This is awesome.
Look at this.
Why don't you get it?
This is cool.
Look at the light.
I'm scared.
Look, this went up.
What does this mean? Touch it? Touch? Wait. Touch. What? Oh, the animals. Look, each one makes different sounds. Owl.
Let me try.
Come on, guys, let's go inside. Come on, guys, let's go inside. Come on. Come on, Mateo.
Stay together.
Oh, it's so dark. Okay. Look, guys, these are all night creatures. The bats,
Guys,
squirrels, owls. This is awesome.
what you do?
Papa?
So dark, guys.
Papa?
But look, this can guide you.
Look behind you.
Yeah. No,
Look, it lighted it up.
Bubba, touch that.
this is the coolest
Touch
thing.
that.
Where? I touched. Look! What the heck? Look!
Whoa.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
How'd that happen? That is awesome.
That is awesome.
So what's this? What are we looking at right now? It's so dark. Oh, the light. So the different flowers.
What?
Oh, look, guys, it's a house. Look, isn't that cool? So look, Sean. Oh, what the heck is that? Where's the light for? Is it because we're walking? See, like it's like we're outside in the house, right? Look, guys, look. That's the house outside. Look.
Okay.
But we made
Oh,
it.
that's awesome. Look, guys, night becomes day. Seasons change on the next. World leads to death. Oh, that's pretty.
In our world.
Benny.
Papa, look right out where you are.
Okay, let's go. There's so many places. We have to go to the top floor, too. Oh, guys, there's a planetarium. So when is the next planetarium? Let's see.
Baby?
Oh, man, it passed. Look, Sean.
What's that?
Next one's in the 27th. You guys want to come to the planetarium?
Yeah.
So let's take a picture of this.
When is
Cool.
it? May 27th.
I took a picture, so. Here, Mateo, a big frog for you. All the different fucking frogs.
Papa, there was a book
Yeah.
that you used to wear.
Yeah, that does look like a book that we have.
God, see this?
We should buy something before we leave. Yeah. Let's not take this exit, okay? We'll go to the front entrance.
Let's go right here.
Adult flashlight egg hunt.
Do?
Guys, oh, is this? Quiet area. It's a quiet area.
New room. I can't take a
Oh, wow, that's a nice little relaxing room.
Ah.
That's a very relaxing room. What is this for? What is this?
Birds.
Oh, look, guys.
So confused what this is.
Birds. This is where I can look at birds.
They have food here. Look.
Oh, oh, it's a nice relaxation to just sit down and just
Look at the birds.
birds. So if I sit down here, all right, that's everybody. Just
Sit down.
very relaxing.
They can't sit here.
Just, oh, that's good.
Oh, this feels so good.
And then we gotta go.
Look, a wasp is trying to get in. Sorry.
Sorry.
Look, a real wasp in person.
Oh, it's a little private area. See the guys, you got the guys, the water guys,
Look, see,
right?
like a wasp
And they
is
got
trying
the
to
birds.
get in.
Yeah.
We can see in person.
Guys, go
You
back
can
to
Sabrina, I'm very impressed with this place. I'm very
There was a
impressed.
bird.
Isn't this the coolest place to go? You guys like this place?
Yeah, let's go back to the
You
forest.
guys need water? Because I have it on my back.
You guys want drink?
No, let's go.
That's what I was thinking. I was trying to figure out what that is.
Wait, I there.
It's kind of like a honeycomb.
Hold on, guys.
Just trying to figure this out.
Papa's right here. It's some bee
Something.
noises.
I guess, but I don't know how we can trigger it.
No, don't.
Come on, guys.
Come on.
Oh, there's bee inside.
You're scared of those people. Why are you touching them?
Let's go back to the bee.
Let's explore the basement and then we go upstairs. We still gotta go to the second floor. Yeah?
But I want to go back
Huh?
to the
How tall are you guys? Mateo first. Here, watch out, Lucas. Watch out. Let me do a picture of Mateo. Aliyah, you move next to Mateo. Go next to Mateo.
No, and then when they have
Nah, because they're all the same. See? It shows us.
I'm 6 feet.
Look, Sean. This door will lock behind you, so it's not good to go out. They'll lock behind you. That's pretty cool. Hey, this is a gorgeous place.
There's a classroom.
Yeah.
My teacher. Thank you. It does go there. Mama, my boot trying to tie on my hand. Let's go over. Oh, no!
All right. Looks like we're gonna go back. But that sign said it's a flashlight hunt. I wonder what they mean by that.
Then what does this mean? Like going
Here's water. So they have to put it in the water.
Here, couple in the smaller one.
Guys, stay here. Come on.
It's in there. You have to get a flashlight.
Take it with you, Zoe.
There. No, it's too much sanitizer. Look out.
Come on, guys.
Wait, was there a way here? I don't know.
I should buy a better hiking backpack, right? This is It'll be better. This place is huge, right, Sabrina?
Yeah.
Come on, guys. So they were pointing to something here, right? Adult flashlight egg hunt. Well, it's adult.
It's
So.
in here.
Let's go, guys.
This one's the
So maybe we'll take the elevator to the second floor.
Yeah. Let's do that. Last room was in here.
Yes, but I need a I need a GoPro, so a better camera instead of holding this.
Come on, let's go in.
The elevator is right here.
Let's go back to the wood.
All right, guys. Lucas, press up.
Up.
Here, look, no, let him go. Let him press it. Let him press it. Let him press it. No, press, Lucas, press the button up.
No, you already did.
Yeah, no, Lucas, press it. Let Lucas press it.
No, it's gonna
No,
keep
that's
going
okay.
up.
That's it. Cool.
Yeah.
Okay, second floor, guys. Come on. All right, so we'll hit the first floor. Oh, there's no floor. Hit the first floor, guys.
First?
Yeah, first. Yeah.
Yeah.
Stairs,
What do you guys think about the place?
This place is so cool.
It is cool.
Yeah. And I feel like that the animals are like.
That's hilarious.
Where am I here
Okay,
now?
so we do. Yeah, we pretty much got everywhere, right?
Which
We can
is
check the souvenir place. Yeah. Come on, guys. Let's go.
My chain have a kid.
Yeah. Okay. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go.
Whoa, adventure mode.
Sycamore
My
Trail.
hiking boots is so good.
I know. I need some hiking boots.
Look, it doesn't slip or anything. Like
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
Oh. They belong to
Wait. Is that a separate stroll? Let's check here first. This is pretty cool. Up we go. Let's go. Oh, what's this? Guys.
You can build it. I can build with a house. A Minecraft house. This is what big boy does. There's so much blocks.
I want to do
Yeah.
the game. I want to do the game that with this one.
You'll make like a basic house.
Come on, guys. Let's explore. Come on, guys. We're missing out a lot of exploring things.
Bubba, can we play there a little bit?
Yeah, yeah, of course, of course. That's why we came here. We came to explore everything. Wait, what is this?
I think I know what to do with it.
Look what that we see.
What is this? Ah, here, Lucas.
Look at Lily.
Oh,
Look,
I
it's
know
coming.
what to do.
Well, what's that?
Where? That's pretty cool.
Wait, Bubba, come here.
And look, guys, there's a little.
Look, can we go in that?
Sure.
Is that a slide?
I think so, but we'll check this. We'll You check this stuff out first. Yeah, it looks like a cool slide.
Oh yeah, you know that. You know what I want to do? Go wax. I want to go wax. Bubba, look at me. Hey Bubba, look at me.
Here, I gotta do. Hold on. Here, Lucas. Come here. There you go. All right, now can you get on?
Yeah, I know.
All right. And then Aaliyah, yeah, go sit in there. Okay. Oh, you guys sitting there. Here. Here, come on.
Why is there a pin in
Come on, jump. Go.
How do I get out?
Here, grab my hand. Pull, jump. Oh. Let's check the tunnel out.
I want to go in that tunnel.
Let me see.
I want to go.
All right.
What was that?
Yeah, remember that other park we went to? It was like a big spider net, kind of like that thing you just climb.
Yeah.
Go, Mateo, go. Come, Mateo, go. Go, Leah, go. Crawl through, Mateo.
I don't want to. It's too big.
You got it, Mateo?
Me.
Okay, cool. Come on. And let's check that net out. Come on, guys. Let's check that net out.
That was fun.
Yeah. There's a lot of walking trails. Come on, guys. Come.
I've never been there.
You remember this, right?
Yep, I do. And I know how to do this. How I do this. Woo. Baba, look, I'm doing it.
Go, Lucas, go. Climb.
Look, I did it.
Oh my God, there was a literal spider there.
Oh, yeah?
It is not so big, it's so small.
Let's follow Lucas.
Baba, help me.
Here. Come on.
Ah! There's spiders. Just
Come on.
spiders.
What?
Thank you. Baba, I go first. Baba, I want to go first.
Come on, go.
It's too hard for me. It's confusing. Confusing obstacle courses. Those are the confusing. I'm gonna do that.
Lucas, stay with us.
Oh, the hard part.
Papa, I need to get this one. Papa,
You gotta go. Put your foot down. Come on.
there. I did it, Papa.
Okay, good. I'm trying to do it too.
Oh, look, there's a kitchen.
Okay, that's cool. I see.
That's for eating.
Okay.
Come on, Mateo. Don't give up.
I failed. That
what
one
is
is
that?
too big for me. Eating time. Look, it's coming.
All right. There you go. That's pretty cool. They have hooks to hang them.
No, I want to go. No, I want to go.
Where do you want to go?
What are those?
Let's check it out.
What is that?
It's xylophone.
But what's this?
You hit it with the thing.
It's going on by itself.
Yeah, somebody else is doing it.
Wow.
Oh my God,
Come on, Lucas, let's go. Let's check this tunnel. Oh, be careful.
Let's check here.
What? You want to go to this gathering place?
I don't know what it is.
Come here, Lucas. Let's go. Come on.
That's so fun, Mommy.
Damn it, we should buy snacks sometime. We should bring snacks. Right? Huh? We need to buy a bigger bag, huh? And what about this? What about that slide right here? Come on, guys.
Guys, on step.
That's a pretty cool slide.
Look.
A little slide, Kyla, remember we went to that pumpkin patch?
Yeah.
Those things we roll them in.
They just shut up with that.
Look at where you going.
Bye, guys.
All right, let's go.
How did you go over there? How? That's so fun.
Come on, Leah.
What? You came from Come on. It's funny. Okay.
I'm gonna do that again.
The way this goes. We try. Come on. Come on, Daddy. Come on.
Huh? Look at the paws right here. Let's follow the paws.
Mom, right there. Somebody eating right there.
I see. It kind of guides us, right? Huh, Sabrina? Kind of guides us, right? You guys, you sure you're not thirsty?
Yeah.
You guys don't need your hats that you needed? Look, guys, it's a bench down there.
Oh, my teeth, right there. My teeth back up.
Guys, there's bugs everywhere. Well, suck it up. Mill ruins. Oh, they talked about this.
Come.
The ruins. Mill ruins. Annie's garden. So what's the ruins? Hold up. Let's see.
I want to go back inside in the thing where we were. I want to go, but please.
So ruins.
I don't want to get stinged out here.
9.
You're not gonna get a steak.
No,
This is the nature.
no, but they choose you.
Guys, no. The mill ruins. Let's come into. Guys, hold hands, okay? Lucas, go with Mama, because I don't want you to walk in front of her. Here, go ahead. Yeah, so this is ruins. Look, so underneath, like, this is awesome.
Oh, I might see that hole right there. Should I watch it, Papa? I put it in go like this.
Yeah.
Before I watch.
Oh, look at this. People who sell this area beginning mill ruins. Come on, Mateo. Come on. Come on, Lucas. Look at Mateo. You have to get used to it. Yeah? Guys, look at the bridge.
Okay.
Whoa.
No, go under the
Wow. Oh my God, this is crazy. Where are we going? Whoa. Wow. Oh wow. So these are ruins, Sabrina, of a place of a place, I guess. This is. Wow, look, guys, it's an actual house, or whatever it used to be, a building. Wow, look at that beautiful river. And I think that's the end of it, Sabrina. We have to go reverse. Let me check the. Oh no, Annie's garden. Let's go. Come on, guys. Annie's garden.
What?
Yep. This is the ruins. Look at that. Look, you could go down to the river too. Pretty cool. Come on, come on, guys. What are you guys doing? Come on. Mateo, you have to have adventure, man. Me too. I want to Papa. Well, we should buy camping food.
I want to go home.
No, but not. We should buy the camping food, bro. It's quick, yo. Oh man. We can buy plates, right? We can buy that thing to boil water, right? And then we can buy like different like chicken, you know, the different type of meals, right? Like cook it right there.
That's good.
Whoa. Look, guys, look, the river is down there. You could actually walk down there and take a peek. Yeah. Look at wait for us. Damn, my feet are moving inside the shoes, bro. Look, so that's all it is. Like a little tiny little circle with a little bench. I have become part of the property and the property has become me.
Don't touch nothing, guys. No flowers.
Her husband is the name of the place, Sabrina. Pretty cool. Come on, Luke.
Ow, I fall down. I fall down my tummy at the hat, baby.
Oh, that leads down to the river. Let's go reverse.
No, we want to go back. Come on.
Yep, so that's Annie's garden. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, there you go. Do a little recording. Oh, there's a little walking trail down there. A little small one.
I'm gonna go there.
Yeah.
Go there too.
Yeah. We're pretty much done, you know what I mean? We're pretty much done. What look at that, Sean. What do you think that is, Sean? Like the wooden. Yeah. What is that?
Yeah.
Can you guys go behind it? Check it out. Come on, come on, Leah, come on. Let's check it out. What is behind this? You see the parking lot right there. Right here, Lucas. What's behind here? Eagle Scout project completed by Nathan. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh. Pretty cool. Come on, look.
The Auto Chain.
Yeah. Come on.
And that happened to me just a little bit too.
Daddy.
Yeah. Look, there's a house for insects.
You guys, the house.
Oh.
There's probably a bunch of bees. Probably a bunch of bees shooting out of it. Damn, man, we should really bring food. Come on, guys. They're not gonna bother you. Come on.
Let's go faster. Come